Hello guys, in this video we will check how to download and install PyCharm on your system. So for that you need to go to jetbrains.com and from there you can download the PyCharm. Here you can see there are two different versions for PyCharm which are available. First one is professional and second one is community edition. So in the community edition, it will be only for Python, but for the professional edition, that contains more details about some frameworks as well. In addition to that, this is available for Mac OS as well as for Linux, but we are concerned about Windows. So we will go to the Windows and click on download. This will download the PyCharm on your system. Once downloaded, you just need to execute that exe, and here in this screen you need to select the path where you want to install, and this will require at least 1.2 GB of space. So after clicking on next, there are few options that you need to check, like if you want to add the open folder as project option in your context menu, you want to associate the py files and add the python to path variable, that is also required. So we will check it and click on next and again click on install. So this will start the installation of PyCharm on your system. Once the installation is complete, you will get this screen and you need to restart your system. Now let's start the installed PyCharm. From the search menu, this search for PyCharm, click on this. It will open PyCharm, and in the beginning screen you will get this prompt. Now click on a new project to create a new project for Python. So here from in the location keep as it is, and also the environment as it is, and in the end we have an option to create a main.py. You can just uncheck it for now so that we will be creating our own files. Now click on create. Then PyCharm will open the Python project here. Now you just need to create a py file. So right click on Python project and go to new. In the new you can click on file and you can give any name. So for our case, let's give it as test.py. Py is the extension for Python files. So here we will be printing out some message, some string. So that is print and hello there. So we just want to print this string to the console. So for this we just need to save it, and after that right click and test it. So you can see in the console hello there is printed. So in this case, let's take one more example where we can add two different numbers. Let's say what A is 10, B is 78, and we want to store the sum of these two numbers in a variable sum. So now we want to print the value of sum, which is expected to be 88. So now we will save it and we can run the program from this option as well. You can see run test. When I click here, you can see in the console hello there and 88, which is the sum, is printed. So as of now we have seen like how to execute a program. There are two ways, first from this button and second one by right clicking and click on run in the program. There is one more way to execute Python program. So here you can see there is an option to open a terminal. It will open a PowerShell terminal in the same folder. Now let's see if test.py is already present, and now I want to see what are the contents of test.py. So let's do a cat test.py, and we can see all those commands are already present in this file itself. Now to execute this Python script, I need to write Python and file name. And here you can see the same output is printed as it was there when we were executing it from IDE. That's it for this video. In our future tutorial videos for Python, we will be using PyCharm IDE only.